guys, thank you for watching. Let's start. So I'm going to combine the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter, the Cover FX Glitter Drops with my Fenty foundation in shade 300. So this is my little cocktail when I use my Fenty Beauty foundation. I use my It Cosmetic brush. I use this combination little cocktail because Fenty foundation tends to be really matte and I don't like that. I like my foundation dewy and natural looking, but this time I'm doing an extra special sparkly, so I'm putting the glitter drops. It's really pretty. I'm going to show you in the light later. So this is what it looks like. Fenty foundation is not full coverage for me. It doesn't hide my freckles, so hopefully the concealer will do it. So this is shade 300 from Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. And this is the corresponding concealer for the 300 foundation. So that's why I picked it. But personally, if I don't like the color, I like it more yellow and peachy, like the NARS Radiant Concealer. But I gave it a try. I'm using my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge for blending. Fenty also came up with a new sponge. They call it the Lil Precision Sponge Duo, which is $18 for two, like little sponges. I have that and I'm gonna try it because I think that would work better for the product. So the concealer didn't hide my freckles either, so I added more and try to build it up. It is very buildable. This is a creamy concealer. It doesn't matte dry. And this is how it looks like, but I can still see my freckles, and for me I like very coverage, so I like a little bit of highlight under my eyes. So I got the 230 shade through 230, and hopefully that would highlight and give me some brightening under my eye, which it did, but still the coverage is not enough. So now I'm gonna bring in my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder. And how cool is this? They have included a stopper for the sifter. Isn't that convenient? I love when companies do that, like how they think and make it easier for us consumers. So I'm gonna bring in, this is the shade Banana. It says this is a brightening. This is not actually the corresponding powder for my shade 300, but 300 is like one shade below Banana. So I got this because it's brightening. It's supposed to brighten, and I like that under my eye. The next shade is a little bit dark for me, so this is what I got. And as soon as I put this, it actually there is a feeling of dryness under my eye. It's just that the concealer soaked the powder. And sniff test, it smells like Play-Doh. I don't know, is that weird? Is it just me who thinks that it smells like Play-Doh? Let me know, comment below. So now I'm just blending it with my sponge, and I'm gonna dust it off with my Luxie brush. I think this is a Luxie 522, and just dusting off the excess powder. I don't think this is a powder that you can bake with. I think this is just a setting powder. Just setting, is not for baking. Next, I'm going to get my KKW Beauty Powder Contour in Medium. This is doing a really good job for me. I love it. This is my second pan already. I like the contour sticks too. KKW Beauty has been doing a great job with contour products. And yeah, I'm medium and dark, medium to dark, the shade. I like it that it gives me a nice glowing bronze and also a good contour. Next, I'm going to get the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, shade Ebony, but I'm gonna get the lighter shade, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to get a flat brush and my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. This is the good part. We're almost there, and I am so excited to introduce you. I know I'm late, but I think this is the best palette of 2008. This is the 35V, Stunning Vibes from Morphe, and it's only $24. They are very creamy, very pigmented, and easy to blend. And I have a trick to tell you guys. So they don't print the names on the palette, so I just stick that film that they put the names on and then put it on top. I did it to my Jacqueline Hill palette too, so I know the names of the eyeshadow that I use. Cool, right? Alright, so for the first shade, I'm going to use Turned On with my Morphe M441. And this is going to be my transition shade. I still can't say the word. Transition shade. There you go. So we're going to start off little by little and then building the color. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to blend. This is very easy blending, and it's just like swiping left right motion. Next, I'm gonna get my MAC 217 brush and take that Hit It Off shade. This is a good matte blue. It's not like, it's pigmented, but it's not very pigmented, that you can use. You can control the use of it, so I like that. Do you know what I mean? You guys, like, you can control the blending, like the blending of the eyeshadow. So I like that. It's not dusty and it's not clayish. It's a really good color. I love it. So this is how I blend my eyeshadow very slowly, building and building the color. I don't pack on, just building it. So now I'm gonna take my previous brush M441 and try to blend that blue and orange together. Next, I'm going to get the M321 from Morphe and get that shade Fling. It's a darker blue, and I'm going to in-depth the colors. So I'm trying to build up and, just putting definition. We're all about building colors, guys, and I have connected the upper to lower lash and build that V outer shape going towards. And now I'm back at with Morphe 441 and blended that. Next, I'm gonna get a flat brush again, the same flat brush I use for my paint pot. And now I'm making half cut crease. Do it very slow and short strokes. Next, I'm going to get a small flat brush from SUESH. This is a Philippine company brush. And I'm going to take the shade French Kiss. This is like a beige shimmer for me with a peachy champagne tone. Next up, I went back to my M321 brush with shade Fling, and I'm blending that with French Kiss. Next, I'm going to get the Morphe E36 with shade Rendezvous, and I am going to blend that with the two shades French Kiss and Fling. So I'm just going to put that in between them and try to blend them as much as possible as much as I could. Okay, next I went back to the small flat brush that we use for French kiss, and I'm going to blend it with the shade Rendezvous. And then I went back to Morphe M441 shade Turn On and put more color for my transition. And then I went back to the lightest shade that I use, the same brush, and I didn't put any product anymore. I just blend it and try to blend the edges. Next, I'm going to get a SUESH extra small flat brush and take that Shameless color, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes. I was very impressed with this color. I like it very much. It's blinding, guys. So I'm going to pick up Rendezvous again with the extra small flat brush and connect that Shameless eyeshadow and also FLING. Next, I'm going to get a liquid eyeliner from Makeup Forever. This is the Aqua liner in shade 13 black. And I'm just going to line my lash line and make a little wing to emphasize the depth and also make my eyes bigger, which I like. Next, I'm going to get the NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner and tight line. This is the shade black. With my Luxie 522 brush again, I'm just cleaning off the fallout, but there's not really fallout. And then I'm gonna finish out with my velour lashes in Serendipity. This is my favorite lash of all time. And this is the final eye look. How do you guys like it? Comment below. Let me know. So I did my face off cam and I used the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in shade Baby Love, and this is my favorite blush of all time. I hit the pan already and I got reserves. And then I used the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm. This is the shade 24K Ray. This is new to me, and the shade is kind of gold shimmer. Yeah, gold champagne. Next, I also put Diamond Balm in shade How Many Carats. I love this, and I think this is the makeup of the year 2018, and it's really nice and extra. I love it. Also, I put 3 highlighters, okay? Don't judge me. You can never have too much highlighter. So I got the new Fenty Mini Fairy Balm highlighter in Candy Sparks. This is $20. It is on sale now for $14. So that's the highlight. It's actually like a silver pink shimmer. I like I like it. Um, yeah, I'm using, look at that. Look at that sparkle, the Cover Fix Glitter, Fenty highlighters, 3 Fenty highlighters. We're going extra today, and I love it. For my lips, I used the Fenty Beauty Glow Balm in the shade Fenty Glow. This is $18, and I also used the KYLIE lip liner Coconut, $12. I love that shade. And this is how it turns out. So the concealer and the setting powder, it's not over dry anymore because that's in like an hour, after an hour, but it emphasized my dry skin and my psoriasis. So I guess it's time to review, and I give yes to the Fenty Mini Balm and the highlighter. Yes, yes to the Fenty Diamond Balm, and I love the lip gloss. I yeah, yes. So the primer, I like it. It's tacky and it makes your skin hydrated. For the foundation, I like it, but it's not my favorite. You know, I can go with my favorite Huda foundation. The concealer, I like it, just the concealer. But the powder, the setting powder, it's no go for me. Um, I don't know. It's just that the concealer was not very um, full coverage, and the powder set really bad under my eye and emphasized my dry skin and made it crack. There's like a crack city under my under eye. I got the Diamond Milk Balm. That's a good and the Fenty Beauty gold highlight, which is, I think, is the kilowatt highlight, and that's the trophy wife. Yeah, trophy wife. I like that, but I didn't use that for this look, but I still like it. I hope you guys like this video, guys. This is how it turned out, and I'm very impressed with the Fenty products that came out this launch, except for the setting powder. Maybe I should try another way to apply it, or I'm gonna use the sponge, the Pecision sponge duo that I have. I'm gonna try my best and do it again and try. This is how it looked, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also like this video, and do me a favor, just like this video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Look at that spark, like 3 highlights. Don't you like it? Comment below if you like the highlight. Let me know. I love it. I love going extra. Bye, guys.